The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports that nearly half of all people who die from suicide have a diagnosed mental health condition. So much still needs to be done to address this issue. As Cronkite news reporter Ariana Bustos reports, Arizona lags behind most of the country for access to mental health care.
A minimum of 50 beds per 100,000 people is considered necessary to provide care to people with mental illness, according to the Treatment Advocacy Center. The average number of beds per 100,000 people in the United States was about 12 in 2016. For Arizona, it was 4.4. But John Snook, executive director of the Treatment Advocacy Center, said Arizona is trying.
I think there's a recognition of that as a problem, and there are some ideas that the state is looking to that are really working. And so there's opportunities there for the rest of the state to say, let's try to make that happen here as well.
Mental Health America ranks states based on access to mental health care. In its 2018 report, Arizona ranked 49 among states and the District of Columbia. Heidi Capriotti, Public Information Officer for Arizona's Medicaid program, said the report doesn't take into account Arizona's unique programs like peer support and crisis response.
As we begin to look at this broader picture of how we serve our communities with different resources, again, that aren't necessarily considered in the methodology of how MHA does their report.
Paul John Frito, president and CEO of Mental Health America, said Arizona had to make up for lack of funding in the past, which may have actually made better programs that are not counted in the mental health ranking.
I also think that Arizona, because in some respects, it didn't have the healthcare delivery system that was built basically with the support of Medicaid dollars, had to explore alternatives to traditional services.
Snook said despite shortcomings, Arizona has a positive outlook.
There's some really innovative and exciting things happening. So I would say that Arizona is one of those places I would look to and say, this is somewhere to be excited about.
Reporting from Washington, Ariana Bustos, Cronkite News.